Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Lookie and today I'm starting off with this investment series called CSGO Investors Handbook. As you guys all know from my last video, I made investments into the Broken Fang weapon collection that includes the Og Carved Jade, the FAMAS Dark Water, the 5-7 bears and chairs. Now all these prices are in Turkish liras, and to make it easier to see the dollar price, I actually made this Excel sheet where you can see my average purchase price, the current price, and the total value of the investment. Now for the bears and chairs, I'm down with the current price being at $19.41, so I'm down around $2.50 for that one. For the carved jade, I'm actually up around 15 cents, and for the dark water, I am down around 25 cents. So in total, my total investment comes around $259 on the Steam platform, with most of my money focused into the bears and chairs. Now short term I may be down, but long term with the time frames I'm looking at, by that time I'll be up, as well as with this investment strategy I'll be talking about in a bit. It'll help bring down my average price, the way I see it at least. Now let's jump into the topic for today, that is dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy that aims to reduce the impact of volatility on large purchases of financial assets such as equities. So this does apply as well to the CSGO market. Now here's a picture of dollar cost averaging explained, and yeah, this is a good example. I'll also be giving a bad example where it wouldn't be wise to do this dollar cost averaging strategy. Now let's say you have $6,000 to invest. Okay, you can choose to invest all at once or invest regularly every month for 6 months. Now rather than saying shares, we will call them skins, and let's just take the AK Redline for example. We'll be buying the AK Redline for $10 each, one shot, and all our funds are depleted. Now, one big disadvantage of buying like one shot is, say this is December, which we are currently in, the next month being January and the next month being February. In February, the price would be lower than January, and in that, by having $6,000 on the table there, say the price is at $9, you'd be losing $600, and that is a huge sum to be down on. Now with dollar cost averaging, say you were to invest $1,000 in this by getting these 100 AK Redlines, and then in February you'd be only down $100. That being where you don't buy in January, so you'd be down $100, and so there's an advantage in terms of risk when you do buy smaller amounts over periods of months rather than just going all in and YOLO. So the idea of dollar cost averaging here would be, say I'm buying 100 AK Redlines. In January I'm buying 77, in February I'm buying 167 in January, and then 167 in Feb, 91 in March, and 143 in April. Now the advantage compared to buying at one shot is I managed to get 678 rather than 600, and if you think about it in terms of percentages, this is more than 10%. As well as the average price I would be getting the item is at $8.85 rather than that fixed $10 price that you would have bought the skin at. Now don't think there's always like pros to just dollar cost averaging. There could be a scenario where there's an asset that is in a strong uptrend, and in that case you'd be buying at higher prices each time you'd be buying. So it doesn't work all the time, and in that case it would be best to deploy your funds one time. So that's that for dollar cost averaging. Hope you guys found this video useful for investing. Now this is going to be my way for investing into the Operation Broken Fang collection. So I'll be trying to invest every week a certain amount, and this is going to depend on my position size. I'll also be dropping a video on position size, and that will also help with your risk. Now, being an investor, one of the biggest aspects to keep in mind is risk management, and I don't see any YouTubers really talking about risk management and these kind of things, since we're not involved in such a big financial market, we're not into the stock market. And I'm trying to bring these concepts over to Counter-Strike to help investors learn how to manage money and all this other kind of stuff. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, and if you want to support the channel, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Also, I've made a Discord community channel for you guys to join. So if you guys want to chat with me on voice call or just chat in the investment channel, I'll be sure to help you out with your investments. So with that being said, hope you guys have a good day, and I will catch you guys in the next video. So yeah, cheers and peace.